In this video, we're diving into a really interesting comparison. Saily versus Airalo versus Nomad, three of the most popular eSIM apps for travelers. If you've ever found yourself hunting for Wi-Fi or searching for a SIM card at the airport, this breakdown is for you. Before we get started, a quick reminder. There's a link in the description that gives you 15% off all Saily plans. If you end up trying Saily after this video, make sure to use it and save some money. Alright, let's jump in. Conserve. All three apps, Saily, Airalo, and Nomad, are eSIM based, so there's no physical SIM card involved. But when it comes to ease of setup, Saily is easily the smoothest. You install the app, choose your plan, tap Install eSIM, and you're done. No QR codes, no manual configuration, no extra steps. Airalo, on the other hand, sometimes requires scanning a QR code or entering details manually. It's not difficult, but it's not as seamless. Nomad sits somewhere in the middle, functional, but the interface feels a bit more technical. So if you're brand new to eSIMs, Saily is definitely the most beginner-friendly option. Unquestioned, and let's talk coverage. All three apps offer global coverage with access to data in over 100 countries. Each has its strengths. Mobani has been around longer, so its catalog is huge. Nearly every region is available. Indefinite Nomad also offers strong international coverage, especially across Asia and Europe. Saily, though, has been expanding rapidly, and one standout feature is how it automatically connects you to the best available local network when you land. There's no need to switch networks manually or deal with weak signals. For everyday travel, whether it's vacations, business trips, or backpacking, Saily's network reliability really stands out. Now on to pricing, which is often the deciding factor. Airalo can look cheap up front, but the smaller plans run out quickly, and you might find yourself topping up more often than expected. Nomad is usually priced somewhere in the middle. Saily offers flexible plans that balance data and validity well, and with the 15% discount link in the description, the overall value becomes even better. When you look at the full picture, coverage, reliability, ease of setup, and total cost, Saily usually comes out ahead. You get strong performance without hidden fees or complicated steps. So here's the quick summary.